Good day. So I'll be discussing Levity. It's a new technology right now na pinopromote artificial intelligence. Okay? So, ano pala ang artificial intelligence? This is how you program a computer. Okay? It's like building a smart machine that is capable to answer questions. Okay, so for this machine to answer those questions, you need to program it using AI. Okay, may mga algorithm na kailangan. So ang hirap, 'di ba? So pag may narinig ka ng algorithm, when we say algorithm, these are codes. So Levity is a software or platform right now na create, okay, for no code at all. Okay, so this implement AI. Take note, not a single code, not a single line of code ang involved dito sa Levity. Okay, so by the way, I am Dale. Okay, so by next few months, I'll be releasing a book all about Levity under Packet. So hope you could help me with this one. And then what else? Any questions with Levity? I'm happy to assist you. Okay, so you could see some video tutorials. Okay, so for Levity as we go along, and then yung libro ko months after 3 months or 4 i-release ko. Okay, so under Levity. So bago ito ha. So artificial intelligence, no code at all. So here ito yung Levity. Wait lang. Okay. So ito yung Levity. Okay, this is the link for the Levity URL niya. Okay. So why Levity? So this is a new AI technology for helping us distinguish documents. Let's say you would like to filter documents and then see or analyze an image. Okay. What else? Text as well. Okay. So why Levity? So first of all, it's on the right side. Nakikita nyo naman, di ba? It's free. Okay. This will automate a certain process. Okay, that you couldn't automate before. It's because of the roadblock. Yung hindi ka marunong mag-program. Ito, ang Levity, walang program involved. Okay? So, magmula sa implementation hanggang sa training ng AI mo, walang program. GUI lang. Okay? So, this will be the next wave of automation. And then take note, without a single line of code. Okay, this is how powerful it is. So free siya, okay? And then this can be used to all size of business. Small business ba siya uh, or big business company, okay? Okay, there. So how it works. So this Levity can is using the process or yung tinatawag na workflow. Okay, so click drag ka lang and then mag-identify ka ng mga blocks. Ano-ano yung mga blocks? So as we go along, ituturo ko na lang yung kung ano yung blocks, kung ano yung workflow, okay? Then makakapag-upload ka pa mismo ng mga data for you for the system to analyze. Okay? Pwedeng flat file, pwedeng Excel, yun, di ba? So ganun katalino siya, mas matalino siya sa mga sa data sa mga ibang platform na data analytics kasi AI na talaga to. And then you could train your customized AI as well. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman, di ba? And then etong Levity, sadyang bago siya. Kahit sa YouTube makikita nyo, bilang lang yung mga videos niya. Okay, so I will see to it na hanggat maaari makakapag-create ako ng mga video tutorials. Okay, so under my FB page and then YouTube. Okay, Prof Dale. Then I merge as well. So what are the use cases for this one? So Levity is the right tool when it comes to unstructured data. So unstructured data, these are called datas na flat file or raw data. So for you to organize this kind of data, you could use Levity. Okay, Levity use cases, namely, let's say you would like to check documents for completeness, kung ano yung mga missing input, pwedeng gawang paraan ni Levity, makakasolve siya ng problem. Okay, categorize service request. Kung let's say you have a folder and then you want the folder to be categorized by specific service, kaya niyang gawin yan. So, ganyan kalakas si Levity. What else? Understand customers' insight at scale. So, user interface ba yung problem? Chat features. Okay? So, pwede bang ma-solve yung problem through chat? Yan, madi-distinguish niya. Okay? So, what else? Let's say you have a picture. Makakategorize niya if it's in nature, if it's in city, o kaya makikita pa yung thing na yon sa gym, kaya niyang i-distinguish by category. Okay? So, more of those use cases as you go along, just visit this link, itong Levity AI. And then take note, wait for my book. Okay? This will be launched under Packet. Then, yours truly, si Dale. Okay? So, I own iMerge, and then ako mismo si Prof. Dale. Okay? So, pag may mga questions po kayo, and then take note, ito pa pala, may nakita akong importante. Okay? It can filter database. So, ang laking tulong niyan. So, buong database mafi-filter mo. Wow. Iba yan. Okay? So, yan, makikita mo na yan as we go along. Okay? So, more of use cases, paki-check na lang. Ma-analyze niya pati email attachment. Sa loob mismo ng email, tapos may mga attachment, madi-distinguish niya kung yung file ba is pwede mo i-filter, pwede mong ano pa ba, ma-distinguish yung mga images. Okay? There. So, example namang images, let's say yung mga signatures, 'di ba? Importante 'yon. Yun. So, more of Levity as for the next videos, and hope you support me, and thank you and good day.